You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
You are going to love the 2023 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, panoramic sunroof, navigation package, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.